Welcome to Car Cave. You're with Chris, Aiken, South Carolina. At Car Cave USA, our website's carcaveusa.com. Our phone number is 803-262-4742. We got a fun one we're reviewing today. You don't see a lot of these because the thing called the chicken tax. If you do need lending, looking to finance a car, reach out to us. We work with a variety of lenders. We can point you in the right direction, give you a referral, and help with the process. So we have here is a 1974 Volkswagen. It's finished in Neptune Blue. It was restored before being imported to the U.S. My memory serves me correct. It was brought over about 5 years ago. It's a clean build. It runs really good. It's been stored indoors since it was over here. So we'll walk through this thing and show you the aesthetics, show you the inside, show you the tires, show you everything. If you need undercarriage pictures, reach out to us. We can get it up on a rack. You can see, all the metal work. I haven't seen anything that concerns me going around it. All the metal's in good condition. Normally, your Italian cars, which we believe this was on a farm in Italy, it's more dry climate. It does have new KYB shocks on it. We went through and kind of gave it a tune-up since it's been sitting in storage for a little while. Went through the fuel system, distributor, rebuilt the carburetor. Got it all running nice and clean. So it does start exceptionally well. We'll go there first. It's a 4-speed. Has 29,000 miles, which is, just noticed it is mile per hour and not kilometer. So we might have to research why that is, because normally if it was in Italy, German built left-hand drive, it would be kilometers. So I tapped the key, my foot did not move on the pedal. There's no choke. I didn't choke the thing. Fires right up. Idles nicely. You can see the light will go off for the battery. Lights, you can see the brights working. I'm gonna make sure we're out of gear. It all shifts nicely. Parking brake works. And I had it in gear. Failure this morning. I thought I was out. Let's try that again. There we are. I'm out of gear now. Yay. All right. There you go. The light's off. Brights here. Blinker. Bright blinker. All your flap doors move as they should. So everything moves pretty easily. There's no major binding there. Do have, looks like, a few extra bolts and a side marker light and a clean glove box there. Sorry that went down a little hard. Got my trim piece out of the way, so that just clips back in, as you can see. I just need to reset the clip and get it back in. So I'll do that after there. You have a handle up top. Your dash is in good condition. Your door cards. Your visors are a little puffy and there's a little mark on the headliner there. Go for the dome light. So it's not working with the door switch, but you do have a dome light. Seat belts are clean, your rubber mats. Steering wheel is in good shape. You have an awesome horn. All the window cranks. It's actually pretty easily. The bed sides here. You lift up the handles. Bed sides go down, so the bed's in good shape. Looks like it's been used but not abused. You can see a few dents here and there, but all around, really, really satisfied with the condition of this vehicle. You have new Hancock tires. They were, I think, a 195 R14. You have your steel wheels, your white center caps. It's a 1600cc dual port. See all your lights sounding good. Before I go back around, shut that. There is an under storage compartment here. We did find a bicycle in it, which was an interesting find. Window action is smooth. We're gonna go check lights up front. Looks like you have some higher powered bulbs in there that have a little bit of a blue hue. You hear it kick down now that she's warm. So she's dialed in. She's ready to rumble. Backlight's working on the gauge cluster. You can see it there. All right. The glass is in good shape. All your weather stripping, your roof here. Yeah. I'm looking around as I'm going here. So I like to talk through these, and as I see it, I'm pointing it out. The lenses were replaced, your trim rings, your screws up here, wiper arms, wipers, all your door functionality, handles. Good quality paint job. Like I said, the chassis is in good shape. Didn't find anything I saw as being hidden. I need to get the key to open it up. Hadn't been open for a while, so I know the guys said they thought the bike was probably back there because someone had trouble getting it open. It is a replacement gas cap. It's aftermarket. Let's see here. Sorry, with one hand. So the rear will fold down, which does cover your rear lights, but you can see the massive flatbed here. I believe it's about 9 feet long. And what else do we have? I don't know. It's a good looking Neptune Blue van. It runs well. Boys in the shop behind me, they have it dialed in. I don't see any warning signs on the paint, the body work. It's a good quality repaint, not show car perfect by any means, but it is a good looking, well done, nicely sorted old VW truck. Like I went over with the chicken tax, they started any trucks, I think it was in late 60s, they started taxing all small trucks at 25% for an import duty. So that kind of changed the game on bringing these in. That's why you don't see some of the, here on the tailgate, I'm gonna point that out. You don't see a lot of the small foreign trucks. We started making all of our trucks here in America since trucks were being taxed at such a high rate. But if you look around here at Car Cave, we do like our oddball cars, enthusiast cars. If it's fun to drive, we're into it. You can see Isetta, a little Fiat 500, a Renault 5, an Integrale, HJ61 turbo diesel, Defenders, ACJ 105, Porsches, Mercedes, BMWs, a Cortina, and Integrale type, or Integrale dealer collection, Corvette, a Toyota, Tegra Type R, some Mustangs, Cortina. We got FJ40, an Alfa Romeo, a diesel manual TD5. I'll show you the shop real quick. Like I said, you have more questions about this, reach out. It's 803-262-4742. I'm Chris. It's carcaveusa.com. We can give you whatever details you need. You want some driving videos, undercarriage, further details, you want to review our service records, we are available. We're making some crew cab trucks. We'll go back in the shop here without warning to the crew. So our shop is the size of our showroom. We got Will working. Say hi, Will. We got some cool cars back here. We have a full outdoor patio too, backyard. So we have 6 acres here, a lot of cars, some fun stuff, a little fastback. We have a full facility here. So if you need anything from us, reach out. Car Cave USA in Aiken, South Carolina. Have a good one.